Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'd like to show you a pretty interesting gadget that I'm holding in my hand, and that is specially designed for trolling. So if you are trolling, then you might actually think about buying yourself one of these. But well, if you are doing it for a long time, you probably have like gadgets similar to this one. So how does it work? Well, before I'll tell you how does it work, I'm gonna tell you like a story that happened to me with this one. So when I came to the local tackle shop, and my question was, I'd like to see gadgets that people don't usually buy and that are not really common while you're fishing. So the salesman, he actually looked at me as if I'm from another world, like an alien, and well, he was a bit confused. In my opinion, he doesn't get a lot of questions about what people aren't using. What the people are asking is which baits our fishermen use, which hooks, lines, reels, rods, and so on. So in this case, it was pretty unusual to him, and the reaction was pretty funny. But well, after a couple of seconds, he actually showed me a couple of gadgets, and I've actually picked this one. So how does it work? There is an instruction on the back, I'm not pretty sure if you will be able to see it or not, but there is an instruction, and on the instruction it actually tells you how to set it up. The gadget itself is pretty small. It can easily fit in my hand. It has these two rings that you can fit your main line and the line with a lure. So the main line goes over here on this ring here, and the line with the lure goes onto this ring here. On the back, it actually has this wheel that you can turn. And over here we've got like a directions. I'm not pretty sure if you will be able to see it, but over here it's, if you'll spin it this way, it goes to the left direction. If you spin it this way, it goes to the right direction. So when you're trolling and the gadget goes behind your boat, if you'll use if you'll spin the wheel to the left direction, so it will go behind the boat, but it will go to the left of the boat. In our case, when I was trolling, I was actually using, we were calling them flags, and they were actually doing the same functionality as this gadget, but I'd rather prefer this one. Because the ones that we've used, they were very uncomfortable and pretty hard to set up. So this gadget is, well, in my opinion, it is pretty useful for the people that are trolling a lot. And also on the instruction, it tells that if the line range is 7.5 meters, then it will go to the depth of 3.3 meters. If the line range is 15 meters, it will go to the depth of 4.8 meters. If the line range is 22.5 meters, it will go to the depth of 6 meters. If the line range is 30 meters, it will go to the depth of 6.6 meters. And well, the maximum, if the line range is 52.5 meters, it will go to the depth of 8.1 meters. But again, you have all the details on the back within the instruction, so you will be able to read it. I'll try to find something similar on Amazon or the same gadget as this one and put the link into the description. If you found the content useful, don't forget to like the video, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you would like to support it and become a part of our community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.